मॉर्निंग असेंबली में बच्चे अपनी अपनी टर्न का इंतजार करते हुए
Mr. Mudassir from class 9, please come on the stage and deliver a topic.
मिस्टर मुदस्सर फ्रॉम क्लास 9th। आराम से बोलना। माइक तो ऑन कर भाई।
Good morning to all of respected principals and elders, staff members, my dear brother and sister. Today I am going to write on the topic of discipline. Discipline is an essential part of human being. It is a unique thing which makes a man successful in very walk on the life. Thanks. Now I would like to invite Aditi Thakur from class 8. Please come on the stage and deliver a talk. Good morning to all of you. Today I stand before you to share something special that can add a new perspective to our day. It's the thought of the day. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Adnan Latif from class 7. Please come on the stage and deliver a topic.
Good morning to all of you, respected principals and teachers, my dear brothers and sisters. I am Adnan Latif from class 7, going to throw light on the topic of global warming. Global warming refers to the gradual rise of overall temperature of the atmosphere of the earth. There are various activities that are taking place which have been increasing the level of temperature. Global warming is melting our glaciers, which is extremely harmful for our earth as well as humans. So it is quite silent to stop global warming. Cause of global warming are, it is not happening because of a single cause but of several causes. The cause are both natural and man-made. The natural cause include the greenhouse gases which are not able to escape from Earth. The volcanic eruptions as well as methane are the issues which are responsible for global warming. Man-made causes include deforestation, mining, cattle rearing and fossil fuel burning. The excessive use of fossil fuel burning results as an increased level of CO2. Due to deforestation, one of the biggest sources of absorption will disappear. So there will be nothing to regulate gases. So it is quite challenging to stop global warming. Steps must be taken immediately to stop global warming. It must be stopped by a joint effort of the individual and the government. We must begin from the greenhouse gases. Deforestation must be banned and the use of automobile must be limited. In short, we must know the fact that the earth is not well and it needs treatment and we can help it. And so therefore every little step how carries a lot of weight. It is quite significant to stop global warming. Thanks.
बहुत जबरदस्त जबरदस्त, बहुत खूब।
Now I would like to invite Arpana Dubas from class 6. Please come on the stage and ask some general knowledge questions.
Good morning to all of you, respected principals and teachers, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I tell the topic of girl education. Girl education in India is largely essential for the growth of the nation because the girl do most of the things better than the boys nowadays. Girl education is necessary is also compulsory because girls are the future of the country. In India, girl education is necessary as to develop socially and economically. Educated women yield a positive impact and on Indian society through their contribution in professional fields like medical, defense services, science and technology. They do God business and also well serviced in handling their and office and important economy and society are the outcome of girl education. Educated women can also help in controlling the population of country by marrying at the right or later age in comparison to an educated woman. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Anis